Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we are on our 10 MW ADQ data center project that we are doing for Oppidan and Parrot Construction. For this data center, just alone in phase one with our guys, we're installing 60,000 feet of pipe just in the main 2 electrical rooms. We have over 300,000 feet of wire in phase one of this project. We have basically every system in the building. We're doing a fire alarm system, VESDA system, DAS system, all the main electrical components. We are doing control systems for the electrical components. We have prefabricated all of the major feeders. So we're bending all the pipe ahead of time. Our prefabrication shop in Florida, we're using them to basically prefab and land all of the wires ahead of time for the breakers into a gutter and then be able to pre-mount it and send it out here so it just goes straight on the wall and we can land our feeders directly into it. We've used prefabrication in 2 different ways. Again, we like to adapt to challenges, so we utilize what we can out here in the field and make the guys get ahead of schedule, and we use what we have in Florida at our warehouse to utilize that aspect. Due to unique conditions in construction, and especially with this project, we've had to adapt to new, different conditions and an increased labor pool and a little bit of a compressed schedule. But it is construction and it changes every day, and that's what power design does, and we adapt to that situation and make the best of it. You know, I think power design is a prime candidate for data centers because we have the flexibility of resources. Obviously, we have a national labor pool, and we handpick anybody that is up to it, or basically best project team up, right? So we use what we have around the country and we bring those guys in to help and lead the crews. We also use local resources. Not only do we have the flexibility of labor resources, but our internal departments are, you know, the bread and butter for how we develop what goes in the field. The ability to utilize our coordination teams to have everything not on the drawings, but developed for us by our VDC team so that our superintendents can see in a plainer and simpler view. And we do that beforehand so that these guys have an upper hand to develop, install much more efficiently and quicker than most people.